Hello, this is a 22-week fetus, which was referred for a second opinion as short left tibia. The right tibia, as you see, corresponds to 22 weeks, whereas the left tibia is 2.6 centimeters, corresponding to only 19 weeks. So the same, to confirm, was taken in the tibia, left tibia alone was measured many times, and as you see, 2 other times the measurement also remains small. So what is the conditions where you get an isolated short tibia, the other long bones being normal? So what are the conditions you think of? So if you want to see the final diagnosis of this case of short tibia, isolated short tibia, which is unilateral, please log on to the ultrasound educational website, www.sonoshare.in, and go to the image to diagnosis category.